I've said it many times, I know I would change my ways, I know for sure. When all the crows decide to meet, they settle down beneath my feet. I've got it right and I got it wrong, but I learned my lesson hanging on. Come sit here with me by the fire and let it.
Welcome back to my channel. Alright, it is Friday night at 9 o'clock at night, and I'm telling you, the last thing that I really want to do right now is tidy up this house, but I know it needs to be done because I have a lot of work that I gotta get done tomorrow. It is actually a bye week for us, so we don't have any football tomorrow, so I'm going to definitely take advantage and get a lot of work done. So I gotta set myself up for success, and I need to reset this house and get it all nice and tidied. So come along with me on this cozy Friday night and let's clean up this house, even though we really don't want to, but sometimes we gotta do things that we don't want to do. So I hope this gives you at least a little bit of motivation. So come along with me, help keep me motivated to clean up this house.
So really it's just the kitchen that needed to be tidied, and the rest of the house was in decent shape, all except for the playroom. But because that's right outside my daughter's bedroom, and on this night she was home and didn't go with her dad, I just left that mess for another day. I'm actually going to be doing a playroom clean and decorate with me for Halloween soon, so stay tuned. I am going to be going through their toys, getting rid of a bunch of stuff to thin out the collection before the holidays and Kale and Lila's birthdays, so there's definitely going to be some great decluttering motivation there.
Might be going crazy, I don't know what to do. My heart is screaming for you, babe. And what I'm trying to say is that you make the sky look blue, even when it is gray, babe. Every time I'm feeling down, you can make it go away. Your light is shining bright on me, got no reason to be afraid. You're glowing in the dark. You're glowing in the dark, glowing in the dark. I feel it in my heart. You're glowing in the dark, glowing in the dark. Yeah, you're glowing in the dark. You can make it go away. Glowing in the dark. You can make it go away. Glowing in the dark. I can't stop looking at you, you're like a firefly. Guide me out of the woods now. Oh, I think I lost my way, but got you to help me back. Tell me what I should do now. Every time I'm feeling down, you can make it go away. Your light is shining bright on me, got no reason to be afraid. You're glowing in the dark. You're glowing in the dark, glowing in the dark. I feel it in my heart. You're glowing in the dark, glowing in the dark. Yeah, you're glowing in the dark. You can make it go away. Glowing in the dark. You can make it go away. Glowing in the dark. You're glowing in the dark. You're glowing in the dark, glowing in the dark. Feel it in my heart. You're glowing in the dark, glowing in the dark. Yeah, you're glowing in the dark. wanna tell you that I think you're looking just fine. I wanna tell you that I want you by my side. The way you move your body, the way I feel inside. I wanna take you for a ride. Wanna be with you. Do you want me to? Wanna be with you. You're the one that I want. You're the one that I need. You're the one that I want. We can make it tonight. You're the one that I want. You're the one that I need. You're the one that I want. We can make it tonight. I wanna say that you are the one I need. I wanna say that you are the one who's making me breathe. I hope that you can stay here. Yeah, you can stay the night. I hope that you can stay with me. Wanna be with you. Do you want me to? Wanna be with you. You're the one that I want. You're the one that I need. You're the one that I want. We can make it tonight. You're the one that I want. You're the one that I need. You're the one that I want. We can make it tonight. If you stay here, it'd be more than okay. 'Cause there's nothing that can stand in our way. If you'd stay here, it'd be more than okay. 'Cause there's nothing that can stand in our way. You're the one that I want. You're the one that I need. You're the one that I want. We can make it tonight. You're the one that I want. You're the one that I need. You're the one that I want. We can make it tonight. You're the one that I need. You're the one that I want. We can make it tonight. You're the one that I want. You're the one that I need. You're the one that I want. We can make it tonight. I'm buzzing, let's drink up. Your death look like big fun. Come on, let's get it on. Like that Marvin Gaye song. I'm stunning, you love it. Come on, give me something. I know that you want it. Come on, give me something. The night is young and so are we. So maybe you should leave with me. The night is young and so are we, baby. The night is young, so let's have some fun. If you love me right, yeah, this could be the summer of our lives now, honey. Give it to me like you know you should now, baby. This could be the summer of our lives, the summer of our lives. The sun sets on fire, tell me your desires. We're not getting tired, baby, take me higher. I'm sunny, you love it. Come on, give me something. I know that you want it, boy. The night is young and so are we. So maybe you should leave with me. The night is young and so are we, baby. The night is young, so let's have some fun. If you love me right, yeah, this could be the summer of our lives now, honey. Give it to me like you know you should now, baby. This could be the summer of our lives.
I don't know what it is, but when the house is all settled and the candles are all lit and the decor is lit up, it feels so relaxing and cozy, and I'm not as stressed out about getting all the chores done, and I can just take my time. Let me know down in the comments what you do to reset your home, make it nice and cozy, and motivate you to get your chores done after 9 p.m.
Summer of our lives. Give it to me, baby, all night. We can keep on dancing all night. Give it to me, baby, all night. Give it to me, baby, all night. We can keep on dancing all come the stars come to shine when it's dark from so far away? Show us where we are. What makes the sun go to sleep every night, and what's it dreaming of? I wonder. How come the sky sometimes hides behind the clouds? Maybe it's just like me, a little bit scared of heights. Why does the rain always keep on pouring down when it's gray outside? It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. It really makes me wonder. Ooh, I wonder. How come the trees get undressed when it's cold? And don't they miss the leaves they left behind? Could it be to make the ground shine like gold until winter comes? Until winter comes, until winter comes. It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. Makes me wonder. Oh, I wonder. Stars come to shine when it's dark from so far away and show us where we are. It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. Oh, I wonder.
Alright, now that the kitchen is all tidied up, I need to get this table cleared off. And on Fridays, Lila has tutoring, which is why the table is covered in schoolwork right now.
I just wonder. It really makes me wonder. Yeah, I wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. Ooh, it makes me wonder. Heard you want to leave this place where we grew up. This old town, just put it all behind. Remember you and I would always find somewhere to hide when we were kids, so we could see and hear the water run. The river's gonna cry when you're gone.
I want to thank y'all for joining me here today and for supporting my channel. And if you haven't done so already, please consider hitting that subscribe button. It is totally free. All you need is a YouTube account to subscribe to channels. If you don't have a YouTube account, signing up for that is totally free too. And if you do, YouTube can suggest content that you like, and hopefully my videos are some of those suggestions. We have a lot of great fall content coming up in the next few weeks, so I hope to see y'all back here soon. Bye y'all.